So warranty is something that comes up. And so at Fairway Exteriors, we have the lifetime workmanship warranty. So if we install something and it fails or is not performing due to our install, we come fix it. No questions asked, no callback. We just take care of it. James Hardie is our most popular product. It's the majority of our business. And so since 2009, Hardie's had a 30-year non-prorated warranty that covers twice the cost of material. It's non-prorated. That hasn't changed. And so it's been the same since 2009. I don't see it changing anytime soon. And the key to warranties is what do you actually get, right? So in this market, a lot of people ask about like vinyl. Like vinyl's got a lifetime warranty, but when you read the fine print, like it's not really lifetime. It's just like, that's the marketing term, right? Or it's got a lot of exclusions that says, well, if it cracks, if it bends, there's so many things, if it fades, that really like, well, it's really more of a 20-year product. And after that, you hope as long as you can get, LP SmartSide's got a 50-year warranty, but it's only non-prorated for 5 years. So with Hardie, it's non-prorated for 29 years, 365 days, versus LP SmartSide, it's warranted 100% for 1,800 days. I'd much rather have, 8 or 9, 11,000 days non-prorated than 1,800 days non-prorated. So when it comes to warranty, it's really more about like, what's the fine print? What's it look like? And so the other big thing with Hardie is it's dimensionally stable. It's not going to expand and contract. Where LP SmartSide, they tell you their product will expand and contract. They tell you got to leave a gap in spacers. Paint hates to move. And so the more your wood siding's moving, the more the paint's going to move, the more issues you're going to have. With James Hardie Fiber Cement, we don't have to worry about that.